Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all, thanks for coming to this video. An honor to meet you here. I'm Isma Nursifa. Okay, on this occasion, I will deliver material about vowel sound, consonant sound, diphthong sound, and stress words. In this lesson, I will show you how to use the International Phonetic Alphabet APA to practice English pronunciation. If you learn and practice with the APA, you will be able to pronounce any English word in the dictionary even if you have never heard it before. Hey guys, I know you're super need to improve your English pronunciation, and to do that, you'll need two things: native English speaker and super amazing tool called the APA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. Huh? Don't worry, I'm going to tell you about it. In lots of language, each letter represents only one sound, so it's easy to try and pronounce words just by looking at how the word is spelled, but English it's not like this. No. When you see letter in an English word, then won't always be pronounced the same way. Take the letter C. For example, the word ka. It's pronounced k, but that difference to the word place. And when the C is next to a H, it's often ch, like in chocolate. But in the word egg, it's pronounced like a k again. This is why the IPA is such a great tool for English students to practice their pronunciation with, and I use it all the time when I'm teaching pronunciation lesson. In the AI, every sound has a unique symbol, so when you read it, you know exactly how to pronunciation the English word. For example, the word to, tooth, and car all have the same O-U-G-H spelling, but actually they are pronounced very differently. To, tooth, car. Now, this symbol might seem a little crazy to you, especially if you haven't seen the IPA before, but actually they are so helpful for you when you're learning English pronunciation, because it tells you exactly how to say the word k, o, f, ka. So, even if you have never heard of this symbol before, don't freak out. In today's lesson, we are going to go through the IPA together. Now, there's 26 letters in the English alphabet, right? But there are 44 different sounds. Way more than there are letters. That's why I use the IPA to help my students when they are studying English pronunciation. Let's look at vowel first. There are 5 English vowels, and there A, E, I, O, and U. But there are way more English vowel sounds. Some of them are long, some of them are short, and some of them are just lazy. Let's go through them. E, U, E, O, I, A, O. There's another group of vowel sound called diphthong. Now don't worry about remembering that crazy name. All you need to do is remember the sound diphthong are. Diphthong are sound that change from one vowel sound to another, but in the same syllable. So, what's my mood? Position change as I make each of these sound. Ia, ea, ua, au, o, a, I, oi. So, we have been through the vowel and diphthong. Now we will move into consonant. The top rows are unvoiced consonant sounds, which means that the sound is made by air moving from the back of your mouth, through and on out your lips. There is one extra letter that is unvoiced down the bottom. Then all the rest of the consonant sounds are voiced, which means that the sound is made here with your vocal cords. You can feel it here. An unvoiced sound use just air. You can't feel anything here. Unvoiced consonant sound. For example, think. Ch. For example, champion. Sh. For example, sheep. Voice consonant sound. Z. For example, day. J. For example, Japan. Word stress, also called lexical stress, is an important suprasegmental feature in English because it determines so many other aspects of pronunciation. Two types of word stress. 1. Primary stress. 2. Secondary stress. 3. Unstress. For example, photograph. Pho, primary stress. 2. Secondary stress. Graph, unstress. Thanks very much. Well, that is for this lesson. Goodbye.